Hey everyone, the information I'm going to share comes directly from technicians who work daily repairing appliances at this well-known workshop. So stay calm, we're going to solve this. When turning on the dryer and seeing TE3, many customers notice that the machine seems to run, but no heat appears or it stops after a few minutes. At the workshop, we explained that this code usually points to a problem with the temperature sensor or the control board, as if the dryer senses something is wrong and protects itself. One of our technicians says the machine is trying to tell you it can't measure the temperature properly, so it stops to prevent damage. Some customers have also reported that the drum spins normally, but the clothes remain cold and TE3 appears right away. This often happens when airflow is blocked by lint or dust buildup, or when the sensor is misaligned. From the workshop's experience, checking filters, ducts, and the back of the panel often reveals the cause. One customer wrote on a forum, "I cleaned the duct and suddenly the dryer started heating again. I never imagined so much lint could cause an error." In other cases, everything seems clean, but TE3 continues to appear. Here we found that loose wires or corroded connectors can interfere with communication between the sensor and the control board. Some customers mentioned that after inspecting connections behind the panel, they found loose wires causing the error. As we explained in the workshop, this should always be ruled out before replacing expensive components. LG's technical bulletins indicate that if cleaning and checking connections don't fix TE3, it may be necessary to replace the temperature sensor or the control board. From our experience, the safest approach is to first check all the basics, clean the filters, inspect airflow, and ensure all cables are secure. As one of our technicians says, before changing the board, always check the sensors and ducts. Often, that's where the solution lies.